I'm going to go ahead and tightline my eye first. Okay, using their color. Let's see what it is. I think it's black. Where's my glasses? Here they are. It is black. It is called a guideline. What we're supposed to do is you turn the applicator this way and you just gently, like not scrape, just gently glide it across. You're not here to make massive scrapes. Okay, so let's keep going. So what she was saying in the demo on YouTube was that the product itself is poured into this container hot. And so when it settles and dries, it creates a little bit of like a film or more of like a protector, okay, on top of kind of like, yeah, it's like a film, but not in a bad way, if you know what I'm saying. Like if you see like topping on top of a really yummy like muffin, like on a blueberry muffin, it's like that. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and tight line. So I'm going under. It's only on the top. So I'm going to go here. And I have to raise up. So I'm going to raise this up. Okay, I'm going to do what she says. I'm going to raise this up. Ooh, okay, this is super easy. This is weirdly easy. Can you guys see this? Okay, this is weirdly easy. I'm not even going to do that because I don't need to. Holy wait, whoa. This is super easy. This is weird. That's weirdly easy. I would have scooped it out like a chip in a dip with this thing. Yeah, because I think the way it's shaped, it makes you go scoop, right? It makes you think that you should scoop it out. But no. Okay, that's weirdly easy. That's so weird. And great at the same time. So I'm just barely rolling it, against, I put it up there. I'm barely rolling it against my cheek. That is so crazy. So crazy easy. Isn't that weird? I'm sorry, weird in a really good way. So the thing I've noticed straight away is I'm using it with very little pressure. It's making me tear up a little bit, but it's not tickly. So, I mean, it took me forever to get used to having something like this tight line in my eye, right? And really like grinding it into my lashes. The thing I hate about pencils is if you sharpen these and you have a little bit of the wood and then you go run it from your tight line, right? Y'all know what I'm talking about. Ouch. Okay. So this, with the Guide Beauty, we're going to do it a little bit more. I'm just going to glide a little bit on there. Okay. Putting it on the very top because the top is for the tight line. Okay. Right. You know what I'm talking about. And look at how deep. Right. Okay. Let's do this again. And I'm going to get super, super close. Oh, wait. This is, see, and I want it, see, my natural instinct is to grip it down low. And you don't need to do that. Oh my God. And it makes such a huge difference. What the heck? All right, Terry. I see you, Guide Beauty. I see you, Guide Beauty. Okay, I see how this is going to go. I'm going to tightline my other eye. My corneas just screamed thinking about the wood product, right? Seriously, the wood on here, when you've like accidentally not sharpened it the way you should, and it's got that little tiny snaggle tooth. Ouch. Okay. Haven't changed hands. I'm a righty. Haven't changed hands. I am looking down though. This thing is crucial for the steadiness. The fact that you aren't flinching either. I'm not flinching at all. I'm not flinching at all. And I am kind of doing what the technique that I would normally do, which is kind of like a little feathering. I'm not really rolling it. I am rolling it a little bit, but that's why the shape is the way it is, so that you can roll it. Okay? It's pretty interesting. Pretty genius.